Richard Mello, CDR, missionaries giving all South America, Cochabamba, do you hear the call? JJG and Liberty, BLTs and brownies, up in mountains, Dallin Valley, serving them all. Crazy driving volleyball on my way to help the poor, interns, true fees on my way back home. Karaoke concert, laying on the concrete, Malenita Romero, gotta go and praise the Lord.
Richard started the fire, wasn't always burning, but his heart was yearning. Richard started the fire, had a passion for them, bring the Lord before them.
Santiago, Danilo, Ines and Silvana Flor, rock concert, Randy G just fed a hippie, helping hands, helping poor, helping the homeless more. Kristen and Richard help around the clock. Nacelina, Selena, part of our winning team. Davidito, Joel, Lazo, Leslie Vasquez, Bob and Nick, Grace, Bible, Benji, Alyssa and Addison. Jesus Christ, that you got place, come and work with us.
Richard started the fire, wasn't always burning, but his heart was yearning. Richard started the fire, had a passion for them, bring the Lord before them.
Candelaria, long trip, death road and mission trip, battered women, little kids, under the bridge surprises. Orphans, Element, and the harvest team, alright. Homeless, addicts, all which bring a tear to eye. Burgers, pop fries, don't forget those big eyes. Friday night, no stage fright, Mexican being for game night. Built a trailer up the poor, went to play some Wally Mo. Learn to love, be a home, always try to accept the poor.
Richard started the fire, wasn't always burning, but his heart was yearning. Richard started the fire, had a passion for them.